Every great programmer has one thing in common, a mindset shift that completely transforms the way they learn, solve problems, and write code. It's not a skill, it's not a language, it's a way of thinking. And today I am going to show you exactly what that mindset is and how you can adapt it starting today. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you have been struggling with confidence, consistency, or problem solving in programming, this video will change how you approach everything. Let's talk about the mindset that turns average coders into exceptional ones. Most beginners think programming is about knowing everything, knowing every syntax, every algorithm, every concept. But successful programmers think differently. They don't try to know everything, they focus on being able to figure things out. That one shift changes everything. Because in real programming, you will forget things, you will get stuck, you will face new problems, you will never know everything. But if you know how to figure things out, you win. Once you adopt the figure it out mindset, you stop being scared of errors, bugs, or new tech. You become curious instead of frustrated. Problems become puzzles, errors become clues, and your confidence skyrockets because you realize I don't need to know everything. I just need to solve one step at a time. Beginners try to memorize, smart programmers try to understand. Beginners avoid hard challenges, whereas smart programmers want harder challenges. Beginners fear mistakes, where smart programmers see mistakes as learning speed boost. Here is how you can adapt the figure it out mindset starting today. When senior developers work on a new tech, they don't magically know it. They experiment, read documents, test ideas, fail, retry, and exactly like beginners. The difference is they believe they can figure it out. That belief is their superpower. So, if you want to instantly become a better programmer, adopt this mindset today. Programming is not about knowing everything, it's about being able to figure things out. If this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below. Do you focus more on knowing or figuring out? Let's discuss in the comments. This is all about for today. See you in the next one. Till then, keep coding, keep creating.